This video demonstrates how to run experiment studies with the Experiment Manager. We want to investigate how the availability of a machine affects the utilization of an associated auxiliary machine, which is going to take on part of the workload when the main machine is busy or failed. To do so, we create a model with a source, two stations representing the main machine and the auxiliary machine, and a drain. The main machine should be the first successor of the source. First, we connect the source and the main machine, and then the source and the auxiliary machine. You can insert the two connections from the two machines to the drain in any order you like. Then, we open the source to configure it. We want it to produce one part every minute. We click the tab Exit of the source and select the Exit strategy Start at Successor 1. We want to simulate interruptions of the main machine caused by failures. To do so, we add a new failure profile by clicking New on the tab Failures. We accept the default availability of 95% and the MTTR of 1 minute. MTTR stands for Mean Time to Repair. As we want to run experiments with the Experiment Manager, we need the simulation to end after a certain time. To enter it, open the dialog of the event controller. Check the tab Settings and type a termination time of 1 hour. 1: in the text box End of the event controller. Plant simulation will automatically expand the time to 1 hour. Click OK to close the dialog. This model is suitable for the intended experiment study. Finally, we add the Experiment Manager to our simulation model. You will find the Experiment Manager on the tab Tools in the toolbox. Open it and configure the experiment. We first specify the output values as the target of the simulation study. To do so, we click Define Output Values on the tab Definition. Drag the auxiliary machine to the first row of the table and drop it there. Then, we extend the name with the statistic value we are interested in, stat, working portion, in our case. It's helpful to enter a description of the value, for instance, utilization of auxiliary machine. We then click Apply to run a plausibility check. It tests whether the entered value exists and is suitable for a statistical evaluation. To enter a further output value, we click into the table Output and press Enter. We click the main machine and drag it to the second row of the open table. We then place the cursor behind Main Machine, type in a period, and the name of the statistics value that interests us, stat, fail, portion in our case. It's helpful to enter a description of the value. We entered the description, portion of fail time of the main machine.